Okay, good evening students. Today we will discuss previous year question paper RBI grade V DEPR RBI grade V grade V Department of Economic Policy Department of Economic Policy and Research. So phase 1 previous year question paper. So in phase 1 the question design in general asked in the form of MCQ. So there are some questions we will discuss here. Not possible to cover of all questions here. So one question is here, what happened in the long run under monopolistic competitions? Demand curve become tangent to average cost curve. Price is equal to marginal cost, price less than average cost, all of this, none of this. So demand curve become tangent to average cost curve. This is the very fundamental questions. What is the slope of the straight production possibility curve? So MRTC, marginal rate of transformation between the two commodities. Next, when monopolist, so here some numerical question are also asked like that, the marginal product of labor of the production function. We need to find out here marginal productivity of labor. So how we can find out the marginal productivity of labor? Marginal productivity of labor. When we differentiate the productions in respect of labor, L k square. So result is k square. So correct answer will be k square. So just differentiate the production function in respect of labor in order to get the marginal productivity of labor. So which method is used by Hicks to eliminate the income effect? This is also known to us compensating variation in income. Correct answer is compensating variation in income. Here one production function is given. If Cobb-Douglas production function Q is equal K to the power 0.4 L to the power 0.4. So the function is increasing return to scale, decreasing return to scale, fast increasing and then decreasing return to scale, constant return to scale. How we can determine these questions? You see, sorry. So increasing return to scale, constant or decreasing. So we can determine whether it is increasing, decreasing or constant. So power, what is the power of capital? That is 0.4 and power of labor 0.6, result is equal 1. That is why it is constant return to scale. If greater than 1, then it will be increasing return to scale. If it is less than 1, then decreasing return to scale. A result is equal 1, that is why it is a constant return to scale. It is a constant return to scale. Come to the another questions. What is the range of Gini coefficient? The Gini coefficient varies between 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Gini coefficient varies between 0 to 1. 0 means perfect equality, perfect equality. Perfect equality in income distributions. In income distributions. Perfect equality of income distributions. And 1 indicate perfect inequality, perfect inequality in income. So correct answer 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Gini coefficient varies between 0 to 1. Now another question, numerical question is here given. Production function of the two companies producing floppy and dish was given. Q1, this one the production functions. Here what is the production function? You first see what is the structure of the production function. What is the format? Both are the constant return to scale. Both constant function, both the production function Q and Q, both are constant return to scale, as because the summation of their power results is 1. So that is why production function Q1 is equal to Q2 obviously. Next questions is here. Find the value of the learner index if P is equal to 10 and marginal revenue is equal to 5. So what is the learner's index? Learner index measures what measures it? The degree of monopoly power. Degree of monopoly power. So this learner index is given by, what is learner index? Learner index given by P minus marginal revenue divided by P. So 10 minus 5, it is 10. So 5 by 10, so 0.5 or half. So result is 1. The correct answer is 0.5. This is the learner index value. Here marginal revenue we need to we have to find out the marginal revenue. Very simple question. When elasticity demand is equal to 0.5 and price is equal to 10, we can put all this value. So elasticity demand, this one the elasticity demand is equal average revenue, we can apply this one also, minus marginal revenue. So elasticity demand is given 0.5, we can calculate simply. Average revenue is 10, average revenue 10 minus marginal revenue, we need to find out the marginal revenue. So 10 multiplied 10, so 5 minus 0.5 marginal revenue is equal 10. So again minus 0.5 MR marginal revenue, here this one 10 minus 5, so here will be 5. So marginal revenue is equal 5 by 0.5, so 10 minus 10. So result is 2. This is the value of marginal revenue where elasticity demand is given and price is given. Just applying this formula we can solve it. Very easy format. Next we can discuss 2 or 3 more questions. Again a lot of questions are there, so not possible to discuss all the question here. Here one question, a perfectly competitive firm was given. P is equal to 60 and total cost is given Q square plus 8Q plus 10. Now price decreases to 54. If price decreases to 54, price decreases to 54, what is the change in profit? So first of all, we need to find out the profit with taking price is equal to 60. So what is total cost? So total revenue, what will be the first? Find out the total revenue. Total revenue means P into Q. So P means 60Q. It is the total revenue. Total cost is given. So this will be the pi. Profit will be, total revenue means 60Q minus Q square minus 8Q minus 10. So in order to find out the maximum profit, we have to do the differentiate pi in respect with q. That is the first order condition, as is known to us, del pi by del q is equal to 0. Again, second order condition, del square pi by del q square, which would be less than 0 in case of maximization. In case of minimization, it should be greater than, second derivative should be greater than 0. So del pi means here, what will be the result? So del pi, that is 60 minus 2q minus 8 is equal 0. So here minus 2q is equal 60 minus 52. So value of q, what will be the value of q then? Value of q, what is the value of q? 60. Value of q, 52 divided 26. Therefore, what will be the profit now? So profit is equal 60 into 26 minus 26 square minus 8 into 26 minus 10. So when we solve this one, we will get profit 666. Here we will get profit 666. Now when we take the price 54, what will be the profit function? After taking 54, profit function will be 54q minus q square minus 8q minus 10. When we differentiate this one, dq is equal to 0. That is 54 minus 2q minus 8 is equal 0. So here we will get minus 2q is equal 54 minus 82 minus 46. So now q is equal to, result, q is equal to 23. So now what will be the new profit after declining price? 54 into q means 23 minus 23 square minus 8 into 23 minus 10. So after solving this one, we will get how much profit? 54, 13, 519. So new profit, old profit is 666, new profit 519. So what is the difference? Minus 147. After declining the price to 54, profit will be declined by 147 to 140. So answer is 4. This is the correct answer. Now you see, demand and supply function were given. QD is equal. So this one a little bit tricky questions here. Demand function is given, supply function is there. Imposes a specific tax. Tax is so given here demand function 300 minus P. So after imposition a specific tax, after imposition of specific tax, supply function become, in original supply function is given as QS is equal P by 2. So here P minus T divided by 2. It will be the supply function after impositions of specific tax. Now in equilibrium condition, 300 minus P is equal P minus T divided by 2. Divided by 2. So again, here minus 2, when we solve it, to P minus T is equal 600 minus 2P. So here minus P, this one minus P, sorry, we can, so here cross multiplications 300, 600, here will be 600, 2P minus P, here 2P, 2P, yes, 300, 600, 600 minus 2P is equal P minus T. So here will be minus 2P minus P is equal minus 600 minus T, or minus 3P is equal minus 600 plus T. Minus minus cancel. So P is equal 600 divided by 3, that will be 200 plus plus T by 3, plus T by 3. So this is the price. Now what will be the quantity? By putting the value of P in quantity. So equilibrium quantity, this is equilibrium price, equilibrium quantity 300 minus P, value of P 200 minus T by 3, minus T by 3. So this is 100 minus T by 3. Now total tax amount. So T into Q. So what is T? This one T, 100 minus T by 3. So this is how 100T minus T square by 3. This is the total tax revenue. Now, in order to find out the maximization of the tax rate at which the total tax will be maximized, we need to differentiate T in respect of T. That is dt is equal to 0. So that implies 100 here 100 minus differentiate 2 by 3 T is equal to 0. So ultimately T is equal to 100 by 2, 100 by 2 into 3 by 100 by 1 into 3 by 2. So 250. So 150. So tax rate 150, but answer is not there 150. So something wrong I think here. But our equation, this one, our equation, in respect of this equation, total tax revenue, these equations, if we do maximize format, as per this format, we are getting 150 at the rate of tax. So this is one questions. Next, another question is here. 44 numbered questions, numerical questions was given here. One. Tax, okay. This is another questions. Consumption function is given. Here consumption function is given. Consumption function is given. Investment function is given. Rate of interest is also given. Government expenditure and tax also be given. We need to find out the level of income. So first of all, from here we can find out the IS equation. IS equation. So given what is the income? C plus I plus government expenditures. So government expenditure. Why here? Why? The function of C already given here, 250 plus 0.5 y minus t. Y minus t means 300 is given. Y minus 300 is given. And next, investment is also given. What is investment? 250 minus 500 I plus the government expenditure also given here, 300. This is government expenditure. Now we can solve these equations. That is, y is equal 250 plus 0.5y, 0.5y 300. That will be 150 minus 150 plus 250 minus 500 I plus 300 plus 300. Next, y, this one minus 0.5y after transforming 250 minus 150 plus 250 minus 500I plus 300. Again 0.5y here we will get. So 250 plus 500 150. So here we will get 650 minus 500. 650 minus 500 I. So therefore y is equal 650 divided by 0.5 minus 500 by 0.5 I. This one IS equation, y is equal IS equations, y is equal 650 divided by 0.5, that will be 1300. 500 divided by 0.5 again we will get here 1000 I. Therefore income 1300 minus 1000 into the value of I given 0.1. So 1300 minus 100, there we will get 100. Result is 100. Result is 100. Is there 100? Oh, sorry, 1200 minus 100. So 1300 minus 100. So result is 1200. We will get result 1200. This is the result 1200. So another question we can solve here. The combined mean, this question comes from combined mean. Mean salary of total 100 employee was given to be 800. Also mean salary of male and female employee was 400 and 900 respectively. So find the percentage of female employee. Let the male employee is equal N1. Let the main employee is equal to N1. Therefore, N1 plus say N2 or N2, 800, and female N2. So N1 plus N2 100. So as per questions, 800 total student. So employee was given 800. Combined average 800. Combined average. So N1 X1. So say N1 400. N1 into 400 plus N2 900. 900 plus N1 plus this one, sorry, 100. Total number of employees 100. So when we do multiply 400 N plus 900 N2 is equal 8,000. 8,000. Sorry, 80,000. So 400 N plus 900, we can put the value of N2. N2, what will be N2? 800 minus N1. So in place of N2, 800 minus N1 we can put is equal to 80,000. So ultimately 400 N1, 408 N1, sorry, this one N1 plus N2, how, sorry, 100. So here will be 100. So 9,000, 90,000 minus 900 N1 is equal 80,000. So 410 minus 910, so minus 500 N1. And here 90,000 minus 80,000 minus 10,000. Minus cancel. So N1 10,000 divided by 500. So N1 is equal 20. N1 is male employee, female employee. So 100 minus 20, 80. So 80%. The correct answer will be 80% female. Female 80%. Thank you.